Hey guys, Hashan from Exodius Auto Protection, and here we have this mother-son duo, BMW X7 and a BMW M2. Both of these are brand new vehicles straight from the dealership. On this one, we're going to be doing a full color PPF install, as well as a ceramic coating and window tint. On this one, we're going to be doing a full front end plus ceramic coating and window tint as well. So they are actually a mom and a son. Both of them brought their vehicles in together because they wanted to get them customized at the same time. And they brought them straight from the dealership over here because they wanted the least amount of rock chips and damage to occur beforehand. But super clean. We're gonna be beginning these projects, and we'll make a separate video for this one. We'll make a separate video for this one as well. But I just wanted you guys to kind of see both of them together because they're both gonna look really, really good when they're all finished up. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're back with the final part to the BMW M2 PPF. As you remember, we started with the X7 and the M2. The X7 started, we're doing full color PPF on that. That's a whole separate project with another video coming for that one. But for the M2, it's all finished up. So what we did is a full front end PPF. So you can come here, you can kind of see all the corners and the edges are all tacked nicely. So everything is wrapped over, especially on a black car. It looks really, really good. It's high gloss. Front bumper done, headlights done. All we have to do is just reassemble some trims, that's about it. And the rest of the car is tinted. Everything on the sides is tinted, and we are ceramic coating the vehicle. So it's already been ceramic coated as well. This car in general is just protected all over, head to toe, and it's looking really, really sweet. So stay tuned. We have a few more exciting projects, another M2 coming very soon. If you guys are looking to get something similar done to your vehicle, please give us a call or fill out the form online and we'll get back to you soon. Thank you.